This is the story of a man named Bartholomew. Bartholomew was a plumber who was happy with his job but always wanted something more. The day started out as usual, but then he received a call out to a job that would change his life forever. As Bartholomew drove down Anzac Street, he came across his good, now recently unemployed friend, Don Donald.
Hey Don, when are you getting a job?
I don't know, man. It's kind of annoying losing your job to an earthquake.
Unknown to the friends above, the earthquake awakened an unknown evil.
Oh, do I have an opportunity for you? I may or may not have an opening.
I don't know. I'm not a very big fan of toilets.
Just take the job, Don. You're broke.
Okay.
And so the two friends went on their journey to Bartholomew's next job, not knowing the dangers they were about to face.
Oh good, you're here.
What seems to be the problem, Miss Sanchez?
Please, call me Sally. My toilet won't flush anymore, and it keeps making weird noises. Come with me and I'll show you.
I don't hear any.
Just wait.
Scanning. No threats detected.
Well, that sounds like it's worth a look. Come on, Don, let's get down there.
You don't really expect me to go down there, do you?
Well, how else are we going to find out what's making that noise?
Alright.
Good luck down there, you two.
Oh god.
You go, Don.
Oh, it smells like shit in here.
Because it's a sewer.
It stinks.
Because it's a sewer.
I don't want to be here.
You need the job, Don.
You're broke. So rub it in.
We're going to go down there. We're going to find what this strange noise is. And you will come with me, because you need the money.
Okay. Right. Wait. What? Have we been going in circles?
No, I don't think we are.
But isn't that the entrance?
It's probably not the entrance.
Right. Wait. Aren't there alligators in these waters?
No.
Then what's that behind you? That's the weirdest alligator I've ever seen.
Does that look like an alligator to you?
Sorry, crocodile.
Scanning.
What's it doing?
I think it's scanning us.
Threats detected.
Ugh, that doesn't sound good.
Solution. Destroy.
Oh, shit.
Bartholomew's being attacked by a robot!
In my toilet?
Yeah!
I've got just the thing.
Oh, crap. What do I do? What do I do?
Low power.
Huh?
Well, that's poorly designed. I bet I can make a few modifications, though.
Are you sure that's a good idea?
I'll just reprogram it. I learned how to do that in Year 10 Digi.
Well, good luck with that. You do still need to fix my toilet though.
Bartholomew Baldwin was able to successfully reprogram the robot. He decided that he would be best for stand-up comedy.
Why'd the chicken cross the road? To get to the store to buy some lunch.
Boo! The jokes suck. Boo! Boo!
As a result, Bartholomew is now rich, but will soon be arrested for tax fraud. Don Donald decided to take over the plumbing company in Bartholomew's absence, and he is slowly getting used to the bad smells. Sally Sanchez is still waiting for her toilet to be fixed, as Don hasn't quite yet figured out how to do that.